More than 600 cities and counties across the country have filed a federal lawsuit against the family whose company created OxyContin. Tonight, I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern is uncovering the local connection to the growing legal fight. Kylie?
Well, Jameson, 6 of those cities are right in our area. You can see them all here. And the lawsuits claim that 8 members of the Sackler family falsely marketed opioids as safe and non-addictive, leading to thousands of overdose deaths. The lawsuit states the Sackler family's ruthless marketing of painkillers has generated billions of dollars and millions of addicts, noting the family's wealth is estimated at $13 billion. It goes on to say the family members had the power to decide how the addictive drugs were sold, getting more patients on opioids at higher doses for longer than ever before, and that they should be held accountable now. In a statement, Purdue Pharma denied the allegations, going so far as to say, "We believe that no pharmaceutical manufacturer has done more to address the opioid addiction crisis than Purdue, pursuing efforts to minimize diversion and abuse." The company says they continue to work closely with law enforcement agencies on the issue. One of the attorneys for our local lawsuits says the Sackler family is trying to get the case lumped in with more than 1,600 other federal court cases. The first trial is set for October. And just yesterday, we told you Purdue Pharma reached a $270 million settlement with the state of Oklahoma. This is significant because it could help determine how these other lawsuits play out. I'm I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern taking action for you.